My name is Chris Remington. I'm the executive chef for the Penticton Lakeside Resort, and I look after all the culinary aspects of the hotel. Valley View Farm is a farm that is overlooking Skaha Lake. It grows 1.25 acres for vegetables and fruit and herbs for the Penticton Lakeside Resort. The flow hive that we have up at Valley View Farm is a hive that when we extract the honey, we don't have to disturb the bees as we do with a normal hive with smoke and everything else. The hive is self-contained so that the honey is just extracted straight out without pulling any of the bees or the combs or anything out. We are lucky enough from usually about the end of March, beginning of April, right through until November, we get produce from the farm. So as the season changes and the new products come in, we change our feature menu and our summer menu to incorporate as much of the farm produce as possible in each location.